They shame me for having no morning sickness, 'cause I was hearty, they just couldn't digest. For cervical health, if you need your bed rest, they're gonna shame you for it nonetheless. If you are petted or if you carry big, if you've got curves, they'll call you a fat pig. If you've got thighs and have put on some weight, they'll happily shame you before your due date. If you had 5 hours or 1 full day labor, had their grandkid but they won't speak in your favor, they'll compare you to some hobby or nunnan who bobbed her baby in under 1 second. If you couldn't push and needed cesarean, oh my goodness, you're such a weak millennial. These women these days just can't tolerate pain. Come join my club of cesarean shame. When a girl's born, your forehead wrinkles. It's a shame how the world crumbles. I'm gonna give her the best I can and raise her just like a man. Breastfeed in public, formula in private, pacifiers when you go to the toilet, strollers go sleeping or baby wearing. Society will judge you for everything. Child has autism or has special needs. If he's speech delayed or finds it hard to read, you must have done something while you were carrying. These are examples of mom shaming. A mother's human, no halo on her head. She watches Netflix, needs to be Facebook fed. Half hour extra TV while she catches her breath. Won't leave her child stunted or brain dead. If you're a housewife and you stay at home, they'll question your worth and call you a bore. But if you decide to go back to work, they'll burn you at the stake, 'cause you have shirked.